Right, morning fellas, 904 BM Leon here. Up on this tower since around 6:15 this morning. Trying to beat the hot sun. Luckily now it's about 7:15. So up here half an hour now. Look like a little cloudy. Just kind of saved me from feeling like barbecue chicken. Sun real hot these days, so trying to install the driven element for the second 40-meter beam. Right, pull it up from the roof. Yep, I'll tie it off. Have to get that on this first mast. I made up a folding boom system here for easy installation to the side of the tower. The element going out there. So this element is actually 46 feet long. So how to get it up on top here and then slide down and bolt off in place. So let's see what I could finish off here right now.